Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos. And today we are going to be getting into another episode of my Creating a Bullet Journal series, and this episode is all about stickers. I know not everybody uses stickers in their bullet journals or their planners, but I do, and it's my thing. I love stickers. So we're going to talk all about stickers in this video. So let's get into the basics of my bullet journal in case you are new to this series. I'm using an A5 Stalogy. You can find the Stalogy on Amazon. I will have my Amazon favorites linked in the description box for your convenience. And not only do they have an A5 size, they also have a B6 and an A6 size. So if you're looking for something more portable to bring with you, I would say the A6. If you're looking for something a little bit more spacious but not as big as the A5, definitely check out the B6. If you do want a lot of space, creative journaling, junk journaling, planning, whatever the case may be, A5 would be for you. So those are my recommendations as far as the different sizes. I decided to go with an A5 this time. I tried an A6 not as a planner, but as just a journal. I've done a B6 as a planner, but I wanted something bigger. And this I'm absolutely loving. I tried it before with the yellow cover, didn't like it, but I love it with the black. I also have a protective cover on here, which doubles as storage, and you'll see more of that in a second. So I start off with stickers on the cover. Period. So I have this sticker from Coco's Vision Shop, and then this decal from, well, this vinyl sticker, I should say, from Honeybee Shop. Then when you open it up, I have more stickers. I kept some kits in here from Studio Bliss Co. And you guys can check out my recent collective haul for more stickers that I have recently purchased. And then all of these vinyl stickers are from Honeybee Shop, and then this decal I made myself. So when it comes to my stickers, I will buy from a variety of shops, and I am going to be getting into making more of my own. I have made stickers and sold stickers before, but I definitely want to get back into that. Not that I don't like supporting other small businesses, but I have the Cricut and I have the ability to make my own stickers, so I am going to be doing more of that. So that's on the inside. So I use stickers for my dashboards, for my planner spreads. I store my stickers inside of here. I use stickers to decorate my packaging, or my storage, I should say. This is packaging that I reuse. This was a vellum envelope that came with one of my Etsy orders, and I put another Coco Vision Shop sticker on here. And then I just have regular sticker sheets that I know that I'm going to reach for as I am putting my spreads together. Then this is a pocket. You can get adhesive pockets off of Amazon. Again, I'll have those linked in my Amazon planner faves. And this one in particular is from the Planner Society. They were having a massive sale, and I scored these pockets, 2 packs for $1, and they run sales pretty frequently, so feel free to check them out. I love that it's scalloped and that it has these little stars on it, and then I just have these little tiny sheets. Sometimes I'll cut up my sticker sheets, or sometimes they're just this small. That's how they came. I also like to decorate my vellum with stickers. So I have 2022 and 2023 in this planner. I have November and December 2022, and then I started in January for 2023. So I have this sticker here. I did not decorate the back. I could, but I haven't. This is my November dashboard, more doll stickers. Let's flip to December, more stickers. These are actually die cuts from Michaels that I taped inside of here. I believe this is a Capital Chic sticker. I know this is a Gold Mine and Cocoa. And I have space here to add stickers, more stickers, more stickers. And something new that I went and did was I took sticker paper and I taped it inside of here, and then I put stickers on top. So now if I want to put the sticker permanently on a page, I can. But right now I just have like this mood board of stickers, and I did the same thing over here. So these I can pick up, these I can pick up, and then I just will use my Cricut tool just because it's easier for me to lift it off the page. And typically when I'm putting stickers in my spread, I will wait until my spread is kind of complete to see if I want to accent with the sticker, but a sticker is not really necessary. I use kits and larger stickers when I'm putting down my base. So for example, where is it? For example, this is the second half of one of my weeks, and I have a doll sticker here, and as you see, I have all this space to put whatever it is that I want, and this is how it ends up turning out once I start adding in different stickers. But I literally just start with the base. Sometimes I'll have full boxes at the top. Right now I just have a doll, whatever works. And over here, I used regular sticker paper that I got off of Amazon, and I just cut different things out. I probably will end up journaling on this page, and I'm pretty much just making a collage. And I got all these pictures straight off of Instagram, took a screenshot, put it into Canva, resized it how I wanted, and then just downloaded it and printed it on my printer. So you don't have to have any fancy stickers. You can, you know, print pictures of yourself. You can also, what I like to do as well, you can also take clippings, which is more of a junk journal type of vibe, but you can also take clippings from your receipts. These were my Starbucks orders here. This is a Target receipt, and I just write whatever it is that I want to write. So it's just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. One of my favorite spots in my planner right now, I love this one because I took one of the Coco Visions doll stickers and I layered it on top of this vellum, and you can see that shadowing of the countdown to midnight behind it. I haven't finished this page. Again, I'm still building and still trying to figure out what I want to put on the page. I don't want to rush and do anything. I'm a Libra. I'm indecisive. I change my mind quite a bit, but I love how this turned out. And then over here, I put another one of the dolls, and I'm thinking about putting like a nice little quote or something over here. And the vellum that you see, this is from Isis Ella Jewels, but the rest of the vellum that's inside of here is from Hobby Lobby. So that is pretty much my stickers in a nutshell. I also have more stickers that I put back here. And as you can see, this cover that protects the planner because it's paperback also doubles as storage. So we love to see it. We love when things are multi-purpose. So I probably will be tucking more stickers back here, but I'm really good on that. I was using the Moterm cover before, but because I changed out my bag and this just wasn't fitting inside of it, I still love this. It still was a great purchase. This was in the $60 range. The Stalogy itself is under $25. But I really do like this. And depending on the bag that I'm using, I could definitely see myself going back and putting my planner inside of here. But now I'm kind of hooked on this. I'm really like hooked on, I literally would just have my B6 Stalogy just like this. My B6 did not have the clear cover on it. The A5 does, but my B6 did not. I'm thinking of, would it be too much if I did the back cover? I don't know what I would do to the back cover, but I love this. And that is how I use stickers inside of my bullet journal. Just a little glimpse. So I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Do you use stickers in your planner? What kind of planner are you using? Are you someone that just likes to put pen to paper? Let's chat. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have more information to all of the products that I've shared here in this video, plus other related videos. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and give this video a like so I can know that you guys want to see more content. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. Stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.